Have you ever wondered if maybe you have a paper towel addiction? I certainly was there about a year ago. I was feeling like, maybe not even feeling, but like knowing like my family was using about a roll of paper towels a day. We were using them in the bathrooms, in the kitchen. People were grabbing them to dry their hands. If there was a spill, we always grabbed a paper towel. And it's actually one of the first things that drew me to Norwex. I was in a process of actually just wanting to reduce cost, which is sad that that was my main motivator. But I was wanting to reduce cost. My kids were actually acknowledging the fact that we were wasting a lot of paper towels. And I just wanted to find a replacement. So I became introduced to Norwex and learned that they had an amazing paper towel replacement. And I was honestly, it was the first thing I bought. I bought countercloths at my very first Norwex party because I was so excited about reducing paper towels. So what I have here is I have 2 cups of water that actually, they're both like half cups, they're half filled. And I'm just gonna do a little comparison between our countercloths, which do come in a pack of 3, or you can actually get them in a pack of 6 with a cute little house that stores them and is designed to like dry the cloth. Like there's a little house, you can dry the cloth over it. I wish I had it here to show you right now, but I don't, and I'm not gonna go grab it because it would make this video take a lot longer. So we're gonna do a little comparison. I'm going to see how much water my countercloth will pick up as opposed to how many paper towels I need to use for the same job. So let's do paper towels first. So I've got 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, and there's still quite a bit of water in there, so I'm actually gonna grab a couple more. I'll pull them out once I think that I'll actually be doing a decent job. 5, all right, 6. So let me see, let me grab this out. I'm gonna throw that away. So that's 6 paper towels, and there is still quite a bit more water. So I'm just, well, not quite a bit, about 1 more paper towel's worth. So I'm gonna do 1 more paper towel. Now we're pretty good. So that was 7 paper towels for that half cup of water. So let's see what the countercloth does. All right, it's gonna take just a second because they sometimes just take a second to absorb, but they do a decent job. So let's see how we handle this. So we're just gonna see how much water this will pick up. I'm gonna give it a second, and I am gonna wring it out and do it again, but I'm okay with that because in my opinion, I would rather wring out something 1 or 2 times than waste 7 paper towels. So I'm gonna grab that out. We did a reasonable amount, like we got a lot of that water out. I'm gonna wring that out in my sink. And then we're gonna come back and see if we can get the rest up this time, which I feel like we are going to. Yay. All right, yep, we got all the rest with that second squeeze. So 1 countercloth absorbed a lot of that water, and then I just wring it out and it absorbed the rest. I find that pretty awesome. And you can see we got all the water in both cups. This, actually they both have a tiny little bit, but the paper towel one is the one that has more. So that was 7 paper towels versus 1 countercloth. If you have any questions about the countercloths, please ask me. And if you have any questions in general about reducing waste, if that's something that you're really interested in, there are tons of products for that, and I'd love to help you get products to help you reduce waste in your home.